Good morning, K2 students. I'm so happy to have our first morning meeting together. We're going to start with our morning song, okay? So remember our song? Please pat with me. And good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How are you? How are you? Buenos dias, buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. Y usted? Y usted? Awesome. Next week we'll do our other morning song, okay? So let's start off with our morning message. Remember, you want to keep an eye out for sight words. On Friday when we have our Zoom, I'm going to ask you if you found any, okay? So watch my pointer, follow along. Ready? Today's date is March 25th, 2020. Dear K2, how are you feeling? It's okay to feel sad or scared. I feel a little of both, and that's normal. But I'm glad to be with you again and growing our brains together. Miss you. Love, Mrs. Concepcion. So every morning when you watch our morning meeting, try to keep an eye out for some new sight words, and then you can share it with your classmates. Okay? All right, awesome. Now let's move on. And let's do our calendar. Our calendar is going to be a little tricky this time because we haven't used it in a while. Okay? So last time we were together, it was actually March 13th. That was a Friday. That was the day we found out that school was going to be closed. And then we had 1 week when we had our distance learning. And then now we're in our next week. Okay? So I'm going to move today to today's date, which is Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. Okay? Let's sing our days song. How many days are there in a week? 7. You're right. Ready? There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Awesome. All right. So you can tell someone at home what today's date is. It's not going to be the 25th for all the mornings. Remember, if it's Thursday, it's going to be the 26th. And if it's Friday, it's going to be the 27th. All right? So, but today's date is Wednesday, 25th, and 2020. Awesome. Okay. And when we do our counting, we're going to have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. Okay, 8 days to our school. So let's do our days at school. Are you ready? Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Ooh. Do you guys see Butters? He wants to be part of our video. Maybe he'll come back and say hi. Okay. So that's 100. What should we do? Bundle it up. Okay, so 100 in your head. Keep counting on. 110, 120, and then 121, 122, 123, 124, 125. But we need to add 8 more straws because we missed 8 days of school. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's add 8 to 125. Are you ready? Okay, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. That needs to get bundled up. And put in our tens. 131, 132, 133. So we've been in school 133 days. So let's change our numbers. 3, and then to a 3. 133 days of learning. That's awesome. Because you're still learning at home, right? So we can count those days. Let's move this up. And while we are at home, our season actually changed. It's not winter anymore, it's actually spring. So the season is spring, and I want you to look out your window right now and see what the weather's like, okay? And then you can tell someone at home that today's weather is sunny, or maybe it's partly cloudy right now. It looks like it's a little partly cloudy. It could be rainy. So remember, just use your eyes, make some observations, and see what the weather's like, okay? And then we can do our days. I'm not gonna put our days today because it's gonna be different for all the days you watch our video. But for today, our first day with our morning meeting, it would say today is Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday, yesterday was Tuesday, okay? Awesome job. So that is our first morning meeting. Remember, I'll be checking in with you on Friday at our Zoom. Make sure that you have your sight words that you found in our morning message and that you share how you're feeling at home. Some of us might be happy to be spending more time with our family. Some of us might miss school and our friends, and it's okay to miss them and feel sad. And some of us might be a little scared because we're not really sure how this virus is going to spread. And that's totally normal, okay? So we'll share that and then share what we've been doing at home. And I hope to see you all there on Friday, okay? Take care. Bye.